Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrook with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the lake checking out a 2024 Harris Sunliner 230. So starting back here on the transom, you can see we got this beautiful stainless tow bar. Now it looks really good right on top of our Mercury 150 outboard here. You use that to pull any kind of skis, tubes, whatever you're doing out on the lake, enjoying your day. Moving on over here a little bit, you can see this boat does have a fully insulated cooler seat, so you can fill that with your ice and drinks. That way you can pop the drain at the end of the day and you're not having to worry about lugging a separate cooler on board. One of the staples of the Sunliner is our lounger here. All right, so you have 3 positions. You can face forward, aft with a big section there, and if you pop it and knock it back, it's a full sun pad there. You can see we already do have our table installed right next to the captain's chair here, accommodating these loungers. You got the ability to move that mount around and have a couple different mounts so you can mount that table in a few different places on board this boat here. One of the features of our lounger over here on the port side is the hideaway trash can in that seat back there. Lets you keep that out of sight and keep things clean and tight on the boat. Then you can pull that out once you get back to the dock at the end of the day. Over here, we do have a full swivel captain's chair with adjustable seat back and armrest. And this boat does have the full Simrad on there. So that'll have your chart plotter, fish finder, engine management, everything you need on board. Got some manual switches to control some of your lighting, your master power, and your ski locker pump, as well as the Clarion head unit with speakers all throughout the boat, so you can enjoy your music out on this Harris here. Moving on up a little bit, we've got this huge in-floor storage here, your ski locker, so you are able to fit full skis and wakeboards on board there. We've got the cover and the poles in there, but it's a massive compartment to fit just about anything you need on board while you're enjoying your day. And you can see we've got these loungers up here, lots of room to hold all your friends and family, and underneath each one of these is pretty hefty storage compartments to hold all your safety equipment and toys. Also up here, you do have 2 cup holders on either side with plug-ins as well for all your entertaining purposes while you're out on the water. And you can see that this bimini that we have behind us here will come up and it'll give you shade from about the helm back on this one here. If you got any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrook at MarineMax.